Open ocean is the largest biome in our planet. It covers more than 70% of the surface of the Earth. It is made out of 96.5% of pure water, and the other 3.5% is dissolved minerals, organic matter, dissolved gases, and floating particles. It is a home for an estimated 1 to 10 million species on Earth. From tiny phytoplanktons to giant sharks and whales. The open ocean is divided into 6. The deepest and largest one is the Pacific Ocean, which contains about 46% of water on our planet. There are 398,000 cubic kilometer rain falling into the ocean each year, which is 78.8% of the global precipitation. Temperature varies on latitude and location. The polar region can be as cold as -2 degrees Celsius, while the hottest ocean in the Persian Gulf can reach to 36 degrees. The average temperature of the ocean is around 17 degrees Celsius. The average HP of the ocean is 8.2. It is basic because the salinity is very high, to help decrease the freezing point of the water in the ocean. The average depth of the ocean is 4,000 meters. It is divided into 3 zones: Euphatic, Bathyal, and Abyssal. Sunlight can pass through the first 2 zones, but it cannot reach the 3rd zones. So that's why the last zone is the coldest. It also has a very high pressure of over 100 atmosphere. Some abiotic factors limiting the lives include temperature, light, salinity, water movement, nutrition, and chemistry. The producers in the ocean are divided into 2 kinds. One uses chemosynthesis to grow, such as bacteria and plankton. The adaptation they have is that some of them live in deep ocean to eat the dead bodies lying on the ocean floor. The other kind of producers are seaweeds and seagrasses, which uses photosynthesis to grow like the plants on land. Their adaptation is they all live in shallow water in order to get enough sunlight. Consumers in this big ecosystem are the swimmers, such as shrimp, tuna, whale, and shark. To live under the ocean, fish and other organisms can take oxygen from the water either through their developed skins or gills. Marine mammals have blowholes, which are like the nostril on top of their head in order to breathe easier at the surface. A simple food web of the ocean can be small fish eating phytoplanktons, tuna eating small fish, seal eating tuna, and the apex predator shark eating the seal. Here are some common predator and prey relationships. Human activities impact a lot on the ocean biome. One of the biggest ones is pollution. People put toxic chemicals, pulp mill, and manufacturing wastes, fertilizers, soaps, disposal radioactive wastes, plastics, oil spills, and insecticides into the ocean, which is far in excess of natural filtering and recycling system can sustain. This action kills a lot of fish. It also starts the biomagnification, which makes the fish we eat toxic. Overfishing is also a very big problem. It makes so many species to go extinct and breaks the ecosystem within this biome. People protect them by Marine Mammal Protection Act and the IUCN Red List. There are now 368 marine animals on the Red List. About a quarter of carbon dioxide are actually released into the ocean, which causes ocean acidification. We have to decrease it or completely stop releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, or there will be no marine life in the future. Here are some endangered species in the ocean. Hawksbill turtle, found in tropical regions. Stellar sea lion. Hammerhead shark. Humpback whale. Monk seal. Florida manatee. Blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. It can be as long as 34 meters. Although it has no natural enemies except humans, it only eats a type of shrimp called krill each day. The water releasing from its boreholes has nutrients that can return into marine ecosystem. Its dead body can also be consumed by bacteria and fish. People kill them only for their oil, and many also died from boat collision. In 1966, International Whaling Commission started, and blue whale was put into the IUCN Red List. People also protect the ocean they swim so that there will be less boat collision. But all these actions has minor recovery of its population.